It's Michael Battaglia from DRP Solutions. In today's video, we're going to talk about cloud data, specifically the information you store using Microsoft Office 365. We're big proponents of leveraging this technology so that you can work from anywhere and collaborate with your colleagues. In Office 365, in that environment, your data exists in two locations. The first location is OneDrive. This is where you can store your personal documents and photos, as well as share those files with others. You're able to access OneDrive from your web browser or directly from File Explorer. To access OneDrive from File Explorer directly on your Windows workstation, you'll have to have the OneDrive app installed and sync enabled. The second location that your data is stored in Microsoft's environment is SharePoint. Think of SharePoint like OneDrive, except instead of storage for just you personally, it's shared across your whole company. You can section off to different areas of SharePoint for individual teams or departments. SharePoint can be accessed via the URL from your web browser or through the Microsoft Teams app. Teams is a great application that allows you to easily connect through chat and securely edit files at the same time with other teammates. That concludes today's tips and tricks. I hope you learned something today. If you want more information, download our ebook and continue to follow us here at DRP Solutions for more valuable technology insights.